Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture that is about 14 chapter, that is the macromolecules. Macro means large, molecules mean these are the monomers which combine together to form a large molecule. Okay, today's chapter, this is the first 14 chapter in the second year class, and that is on page number 267. As you know that the small molecules, when arranged in the larger molecule, either they are in branched form or in series form, they formed small molecules, they formed, and when they combine together they form a big molecule. It is called as a macromolecules. This is the as you know that the fibers, plastics, these are the types of macromolecules. Macromolecules are of the two types, that is the inorganic and organic. Organic, that are the synthetic polymers, and the biopolymers. In biopolymers, the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids are included, etc. While in the synthetic polymers, plastics, synthetic fibers, and rubbers are included. Okay, now we will move towards the further detail about them. Structure of the polymer. As we talking about the structure of the polymers, whenever the monomers, there are there are different types of the three types of the arrangement of the monomers in the macromolecules. There are different three types. One is the in series form, their molecule attached to each other in the linear form, while branched, here there is a two or three branched are formed, maybe in some cases, and there is a cross linked linear polymers or the interconnected polymers. Okay, the branches may be interconnected to each other and the cross linked. Okay, as here you see that this is the types of the polymer in which the ethene, they will attach to each other and they form the polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl, these are the plastics, types of the plastics. Here the when one of the molecular mass that will be multiply with the molecular mass of the repeated unit. This is the molecular mass of the monomers, and it will multiply with the degree of polarization, that is the 1000, and there will be the formation. This is the polyvinyl chloride, this is the polymer, and this is the type of the plastic. Okay, the types of the polymers. How many types of the polymers are there? There are the three types of the polymers. One is the homopolymers. These are the polymers in which the similar types of the monomers, they will attach to either one type of the monomers, they will attach to each other and they form a macromolecule. Just like this is the example of vinyl acetate. Here the large amount of the vinyl acetate, they will form the polyvinyl acetate. Okay, and next one is the copolymers. In copolymers, there are two types of the monomers, they will attach to each other and they form a big molecule. It is called as the copolymers. And here is the example of the vinyl acetate and butyl maleate. Okay, next the polymers. As you know that there the word term mean tri. This means the three types of the monomers, they will attach to each other and they will develop into the big molecules. Either they in the form of the straight chain or in the form of the branched or the cross linkage. It will form the terpolymers. And here there are two types of the terpolymers. One is the thermoplastics and another is the thermostatics. Okay, in this the in which can be softened repeatedly and heated and hardened. In these type of the polymers, The basic difference between these two types of the polymer, thermoplastic polymers and the thermosetting. Here we can uh, whenever one plastic or one polymers that it is shaped in one type of thing, it will again heated and it will reshape again and again. Here whenever the polymer that will cool down, it will convert into the some type of the shapes, and they can again and again change into the different shapes whenever they are repeated the heating and cooling process. But in thermostatic setting, only one type, one a polymer will heated, it will convert it into some shape. In one type it will convert into the some shape, and when it is cooled down, it will not again convert it into the another shape after heating. Okay. Thermoset. Next is next we will move towards the polymerization process. How the polymerization process will be taken, will be proceed, inshallah. In next lecture we will study about it. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.